Hi, welcome to today's core vocabulary and action video. We will be targeting the word what. What is an interrogative pronoun, and what means to ask for information specifying something. Now let's find what on our different AAC systems. On WordPower 60 Basic, the Touch Chat app from Sotillo, what?
What?
On the LAMP Words for Life full vocabulary from PRC, what?
What?
On Snapcore First from Toby Dynavox, the 80 grid, what? Now let's use our word what for different functions of communication. I could ask a question and say, what should we play today? I could relay past and future events and say, that's what I did last night too. I could use it to state personal information and say, I know what my name is. It's Gina. I could use it to deny and say, that's not what I said. I could use it to greet and say, what's up? I could use it to request permission and say, what can I play now? I could use it to request information and say, what's wrong?